This is how you miss your Metamask wallet and how to claim it. This video will show you how to link your Metamask wallet and how to claim your call. Number one, open Satoshi app. Once you open it, click on this me. You can see this arrow. Once you click on me, go to personal settings. Once you're in that personal settings, click on asset password. So if like me, I've done my asset password before, but if you have not done it before, you have to put it like 6 number, so that will be accept whenever I want to do transaction. In ATM, if you want to do a transaction in ATM, they only ask for PIN. Likewise, this Satoshi app, if you want to do this transaction, they will ask for PIN, but their own PIN is called asset. So do your asset password. Once you have do that, do your asset password, you have to you have to create your asset password. Now you need a code. You need a code like wallet address of Satoshi, of core for Metamask, that you use to link Metamask and Satoshi together. So you need a wallet for Metamask. So you go to Metamask. To load. Once your Metamask open, look at this. This network I call. So your own might be on Ethereum. So for you to change it to have core, click on browser. Once you click on browser, click on this. Okay, once you click on browser, it takes you to this place. You'll be here. So look at where they would search or type URL. Search or type URL. Just write scan dot core DAO dot org. Scan.dao.org. Remember, we want to change the network to core so that we can copy the wallet and then go and submit in Satoshi. So enter. Now, once the scan.core DAO has opened, go down, go down, scroll down. So you can see that I've scrolled finish to the page. See, you will click on add network. Once you click on add network, look at it, say success here. Sometimes it will ask you to confirm. So once you have do that, you have successfully migrated from Satoshi app. You have successfully migrated from Ethereum network to core network. So click on wallet again. This place now will become core. This place, look at that point. That place, it will become core. So once it becomes core, you will see your core here will be 0. Your core will be 0. So click on the core. when you click on it, click on receive again. See, this is your wallet address. This is where you can get call from. Now, the essence of submitting this wallet to Metamask is because they will first of all send you gas fee. Gas fee is the fee that you pay for transaction on call. So you are going to submit this wallet address now. You are going to submit it to Satoshi app. Click on this copy. This copy you see here. Click on it. Copy. See, they say public address copied. That's all for here. Now go back to your Satoshi Core app. So click on it. This when you are so you meet yourself, you click on me. On that me, see all this Bitcoin here. Click it. This way that have Bitcoin Core and Ethereum. Click it. Once you click on it, you will see that my own core does not have anything here. It's because I've collected it. They have moved it to my own wallet. So your own, you might have something there because you have not moved it. Now click on it. Click on this core side. You will see the wrote link wallet address. So click on link wallet address. So once you click on link wallet address, it will say you should do verification. Like you should put your email and the code gotten for your email. Once you have do that, they will open two boxes for you. One for your withdrawal wallet address, that one that you copied in Metamask. That is what you will put in that withdrawal wallet address. And after that, they will now say you should put your asset password. Asset password is that 6 pin you created that time. Then once you have do it, so linked it, confirm it. Once you do it finish, they will say congratulations, your wallet has been linked. So if you get that message, automatically they have linked your Metamask wallet of Core into the Core application. So once they do that, it's not something that is hard. They will send you gas fee. Once they have sent you, automatically you can now start claiming. So for now, this is how you claim your Core. This is how you add Core address for Metamask into Satoshi app of Core. This is how you had it. So guys, if you have any question, you can ask.